Dale Chihuly is a glass artist from Seattle, Washington. He has been working in glass since the 1940s and really has changed how people think about glass as an art form. This exhibit is the first exhibition of Dale Chihuly's in a desert environment. It is his largest and grandest outdoor garden exhibit to date. We have 17 pieces, major installations, and thousands of individual pieces of glass. This is the Blue Reeds, Marlins, and Floats installation. The reeds are installed, there's a piece of metal about a ½ inch thick that goes in the ground. They put a piece of plastic on top of that, and then the glass slips on top of it. And it gives the appearance that it's coming up out of the earth, but it's actually just resting on top. When visitors come to the Desert Botanical Garden to see Chihuly, they can expect to see two things: a world-class garden and a world-class exhibition of art. This exhibit is a very different exhibit during the day than it is at night. And I haven't decided yet if I like the day or the night exhibit, but I recommend that you come and see the exhibit at least twice so that you get the whole experience. Mr. Chihuly, this is only his 9th exhibition in a garden, and he's very selective about where he chooses to show, and we feel very honored that he selected us, and I think that it speaks well for the Desert Botanical Garden as well as our community that Phoenix was chosen as a place for such a wonderful experience.